Here we go!
I am ready to put on a show!
Nice, nice.
Oh, hello.
Here I go! Come on!
Bye.
Got it! Here we go!
Yeah, let's go. I'm going to kill some kids today. I'm looking for the chump clubby ones. I'm going to find me some chubby kids, and we're gonna make some ice cream fun. Hooray! Hooray!
Bye, have a great time. Oh, hello!
Crazy, what are you talking about? Leave me alone.
Roar, niemand buoyt!
You're a great team.
Nice, nice!
I like that.
Hey, what happened?
Wow! Congratulations!
Going to find me some chubby kids, and we're gonna make some ice cream fun.
Yes, you! I know you have Liz, and I want you to release her. Hey, it's me, Goku!
You know I can't resist you. Goody, he's here.
Let's go, let's go.
Uh-oh. Hooray! Question mark? Amazing! Come on!
Yeah!
Too easy! Piece of cake!
Oh, yeah. You tell me, sweet little boy. Bye.
Come on, step it up!
Oh yeah!
I got you. They fall for the same trick every time.
Okay, let's go!
I'm not afraid of that stupid ice cream maker. How did you not tell me that Rod had my sister? Are we not friends anymore?
Bye, have a great time.
Oh, hello.
Wow! Congratulations!
Oh yeah! Yeah, boy. Aha! Come on!
Jay, is that you? What happened? How did Rod capture Liz? Yes, you! I know you have Liz, and I want you to release her.
Hey, what happened?
Here I go!
Stupid boy. You have the guts to face me. Huh? But you're not fat enough to be useful to me. Wait a second. There's an easy solution to that. Oh, yes. You tell me, sweet little boy.
Oh no!
Uh-oh.
I got an idea.
Okay.
Bror, niemand boeit.
Nice.
Too easy!
Wow! Congratulations!
Whoa, amazing!
Let's go.
You're a great team!
Oh yeah!
Goody, he's here.
Come on!
I have $30,000 in credit card debt. When they call, I tell them
Bye.
I can't.
Very good!
Nice. Okay, let's go! Oh yeah!
Going to find me some chubby kids and we're gonna make some ice cream fun.
Bye, have a great time.
Okay.
Oh, hello.
Here I go. Here we go.
I am ready to put on a show! Go! We're in trouble now. I sound like a 14-year-old, but my boobs are huge!
Bye, have a great time.
Help! Help!
Hey, what happened?
Let me out!
Yeah, let's go!
I sound like a 14-year-old, but my boobs are huge! Why? Go!
Aha!
Got him!
Nice.
I'm going to kill some kids today. I'm looking for the chump clubby ones. I'm going to find some chubby kids and we're gonna make some ice cream fun.
Bye!
Whoa, amazing!
Let's go!
Okay. Go! Hello!
Huh?
Woohoo! Okay.
Going to some chubby kids and we're gonna make some ice cream fun.
Hello, cutie pie.
Huh? Yes! Yes!
Woohoo! Yahoo!
Okay, let's go!
Nope.
Oh, yes! Yahoo! Go, go, go!
Yes! Yes!
Let's go, let's go, let's go!
Whoa! Amazing!
Okay.
Huh?
Going to find me some chubby kids and we're gonna make some ice cream fun.
Oh, yes!
Nope.
Na 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 na. Yahoo! Wow! Go, go, go! Okay.
Okay, let's go!
Bye, have a great time.
Oh, hello.
We're in trouble now.
Let's go, let's go.
Okay.
Going to find me some chubby kids and we're gonna make some ice cream fun.
Woohoo! Yay, yay!
Hello, cutie pie.
Na 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 na. La 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 la.
Okay, let's go!
I am ready to put on a show.
Yahoo!
Wow! 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 Ta-da! Here we go!
Yay!
Here I go!
Na 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 na. La 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 la. Oh, yes!
Come on!
Woohoo! Okay.
Yay! Wow! Congratulations!
Woohoo!
Let's go, let's go, let's go!
Yahoo!
Bye, have a great time.